Hey everybody, welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs by Simple DIYer. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As always, you can check the description box for the list of items used. In today's video, we're going to be making this laundry room decor pieces. First, we're going to start off using this tray, which I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to spray paint it in this Rust-Oleum white paint. If you can't find this tray, you can also cut out the shape using foam board. Now I'm going to take the laundry company words, which I printed from online, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue that to the tray. Now I would normally use Mod Podge, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this white glue. Now I'm going to take these washing symbols, which I also printed from online, and I'm going to go ahead and glue those to the tray as well. Once you have the symbols glued on, what I would normally do is go ahead and coat the entire tray with a coat of Mod Podge. Now I'm going to take this apple barrel paint in the color pewter gray, and I'm just going to dry brush it all over the tray. This is optional, or if you want to use a different color you can, or if you just want to leave it plain white, you can do that as well. For the next project, I'm going to take 3 of these frame mirrors. I'm just going to take the mirror out, and I'm actually going to be using the back side of the mirror as the new front. Taking the pewter gray, I'm going to go ahead and dry brush that on to all 3 backs of the mirrors. Once you've completed all 3, you'll go ahead and place those back into the frames. Now taking 2 of the smaller wooden dressers, I'm going to paint them in the color Snow White. Now using the pewter gray color, I'm going to go ahead and paint the handles on the dressers. Now taking one of the larger wooden dressers, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same painting steps. Now taking two of the frames and the two smaller dressers, I'm going to go ahead and glue those onto the front, and the frames will be placed horizontally. With the larger dresser, I'm going to glue that onto the frame as well, but this one I'll actually glue on vertically. This is what your frame should look like once you have all three dressers glued onto the frames. Now taking these little wooden pieces I had left over from the chess game from Dollar Tree, I'm going to paint those in the color Snow White. Now taking these stickers, I'm going to go ahead and spell out my words on the little wooden blocks and use them as a stencil. And I went ahead and spelled out wash, dry, and fold. Now taking this apple barrel paint in the color Pavement, I'm going to go ahead and paint all of the wooden squares. Once the paint's fully dry, you're going to go ahead and carefully pull off all the stickers. Once you have all the stickers removed, you'll be left with the white letters. Now taking the painted wood words, I'm going to go ahead and take one of the smaller dressers and spell out the word wash and just glue that to the top of the dresser. Now I do recommend using a super glue or a wood glue for a more permanent hold. And this is what the dresser will look like once you glue on the words. For the taller dresser, I'm going to go ahead and spell out the word dry and glue those on. For the last dresser, I'm going to spell out the words fold and glue those on as well. And this is what they will look like once all 3 is completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see every time that I upload a new video. As always, you can leave me a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, have a great day.